Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this beautiful animal print leopard design. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna apply my base coat. Today I'm using UNT, the Peel Off. Let me know what your experience is with this product because I really loved it. Then I'm gonna apply artificial orange. This is gonna be my base color. This is part of the collection that Orly has released for summer 2021, and it's a beautiful and very neon bright orange. I really love this color, and I'm gonna use 2 coats for this design. If you haven't seen my video on that collection, I will link it here. On top of this polish, I'm gonna apply Holo Taco Solar Unicorn Skin. This is a very beautiful topper with iridescent flakies, and it gives a very beautiful background for my design today. Today I'll be working with the WhatsApp Nails B025 stamping plate, which is a lot of animal print, and I'm gonna be using Maniology Straight Up Black, which is a stamping polish, and I don't use that much of black polish, just like half of the design, and then I do the stamping. So to take out the excess, I have 2 lint rollers, and I prefer to use the smaller one, which I just bought in a dollar store, and it gives me more precision just to take out the excess of the stamper. So I'm gonna repeat the same process with several stampers so I can let them dry all together. And here I'm repeating the same process, and between each application I'm gonna be cleaning my stamping plate with 100% acetone. So here I have the 2 monocles from Maniology. This little one is from WhatsApp Nails. The other rectangular is the cube stamper from Maniology, and the bigger one is from Twinkle Tea. Then I'm gonna grab Tangerine Dream. This is also part of the summer collection of Orly, and with a dotting tool I'm gonna start to fill out the spaces in the design in all the stampers. I could do it with just 1 stamper and let them dry, but I prefer to do it 5 at the same time so I can work faster. So here's what it looks like, the result. And to apply the design, I'm gonna be applying 1 coat of the Orly Bonder. This is gonna recover the stickiness in my nails so the design can transfer properly. And here I'm just using all the stampers that are already dried in each one of my nails. I'll be working with 2 nails at a time because that way it's enough time for the Orly Bonder to get dry, but not dry enough to just ruin the process. And if you like stamping, let me know so I can start doing more videos on that. If you want me to share my tips or the way I do stamping, let me know and I can start creating some videos about that. I know that for some people it's kind of hard technique, but I can share with you what I know. And here with the Scotch tape, I'm just taking out the excess. It's like super hard to work with black polish because sometimes it's smudge, so I prefer to use the Scotch tape and then apply 1 coat of the smudge free top coat that Maniology has, so you avoid any kind of smudge. And then I will apply 1 coat of the Dry Fast top coat just to seal the manicure and to make them last longer. And as a final step, as always, a little bit of cuticle oil. This time I didn't use acetone, so that's very good. So I prefer to use the Scotch tape. And here's the final result. I really love this design. It's very bright, and of course I had to test it under my black light as all the last manicures that I've done. So look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Here are the pictures for this manicure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.